and the Brazzas Monkey. And there's a couple in there. There he is, and there's the other one there behind him. And then we've got the otters in the next enclosure, which we'll have a look at in a minute. They can live up to 22 years, these monkeys, and they eat leaves, fruits, flowers, mushrooms and insects. They give out low booming sounds when they want to communicate, and they catch food in their cheek pouches like squirrels and chipmunks. And also hamsters do it. And they are from Africa, Central Africa. It's 4 to 10, they live amongst 4 to 10 individual monkeys. He's gone up there. He's coming along there, look. He's right at the top now. There's his tail.